Today, we are looking at the Liano Clean Flush Back-to-Wall Standard and Easy Height toilet suites. Designed with more acute curves, these toilets will add a unique style to your bathroom, and both feature Caroma's patented Clean Flush technology. A completely open rim combined with a generous drop zone and additional flushing power, Caroma's Clean Flush technology makes cleaning easy and more hygienic. One of the design's key benefits is reducing the discomfort of having to brush clean after toilet use. The Liano Easy Height toilet sits 40mm higher than the standard, making it more comfortable and easier to stand after use. The seats on both toilets are manufactured from high-quality thermoset material, ensuring a longer lifespan and extra durability. One of the biggest challenges of any bathroom renovation is the ability to colour match all your products. This back-to-wall toilet is available with an extended range of colour options for their flush button, which are all colour matched to Caroma bathroom products. These Liano suites are only available as a backwater inlet, meaning the most practical use is in a tiles-off renovation or new build. It has a contemporary D-shaped design and a soft-closed detachable seat, so there are no hard-to-reach places, making cleaning easy. Like all Caroma products, this toilet includes GermGuard antimicrobial protection built into the seat and pan, eliminating 99% of bacteria on contact. The Liano Clean Flush Back-to-Wall suites are a step up in styling for contemporary bathrooms. If you're looking for a luxurious touch, this is one suite to consider.